Hi guys! Welcome back to
my channel.
I am Noemi.
I am Yulia.
For today's video,
For today's video, I am the chef.
you are the chef. So, today, Julia will make what you will make?
I will make chocolate muffins.
Chocolate muffin. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you start now?
Yeah.
So, I am only here only to help. You're ready, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can start.
Because.
So first, Julia, you can put the egg. Yeah, the eggs. Then you can mix. Good job. Then the sour milk. Oh, smells good already.
Yeah.
Already. Oh, later. Now you can put the sugar.
Oil.
Yeah, you can put all. Yeah, you don't have to remove. It's okay. Or is it not good? No. Okay, you can remove it, or I will help you. Is that flour? Yeah, you can. Cocoa powder. Then the baking powder and the vanilla.
Give a thumbs up.
No, that's okay. That's okay. Ah, it's okay.
I mix this. Smells good.
Smells good.
Smell.
Huh?
Smell.
Smell. So while you are mixing that, I will fry the chocolate. Yeah, dark chocolate. Mix. You can mix your muffin. Mix them good. There is a lot. under there still, you can use the this hook. So you can also under, you can mix under.
Weird. That's weird.
Oops. It's okay. It's okay. You can, here's the tissue, you can, oops. That's okay. But you are the chef today. So chef, go and mix it with this. Hey! Hey chef, you are the chef, that's why you can taste it. Hey chef! So with the dark chocolate, we will use only 1 cup of it. So chef can already put some of the chocolate in there.
Mix.
Then mix again.
It went.
With that. Go and mix. You have to mix the chocolate with the butter.
Can you make it, Mom?
Yeah, I can help you.
It's a dot chocolate.
Look, the chocolate.
Yummy, das ist great. Take away und saug die Muffin.
No, we will only put some chocolate on top.
Mama.
We will use this and okay. Plus 8,
8, 10,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
and 12.
12.
Let's change this one.
Ooh, sorry. Yummy, yummy. Darf ich das machen? Oh, so gelade. So, das ist dann, wird das ein kleines bisschen heller.
We have a lighter. Now you can hear.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
It's enough. No, it's enough. Now we can mix.
9.
It's enough.
Yummy wird das.
Really yummy.
Yes. Und wie tust du das? Das ist Bacon.
Yeah, later you will see it.
Hell.
Nine. No.
Dunkel.
It's enough. It's good. It's maybe too much already. Look at your hand and your no, but your chocolate.
Decorate.
Yeah.
This one.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
Like this.
And you're awesome, Mom. Letzte Parfüm, ja, Mom. Letzte Parfüm, ja, Mom.
You want to also the others. Look, the others also needs some right here. Go.
Fuck, Mom.
So that's all. Oh, sorry.
I was there's the Mom. There comes the bed.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
it's time to bake the muffins.
Tapi kasi nanonood mo, nagawa mo, alas. guys, the muffins is ready.
Is it ready?
Yes.
I can smell it.
Yes.
What is the smell?
Chocolate.
Smells chocolate.
Yes, we decided
You are excited for
SMD. Eat them.
to eat
Stop.
the muffins.
Kuya, the muffins is ready. Want some?
Still hot, huh?
I made the muffins. I made the muffins.
You make the muffins.
Ooh, yummy.
What is the smell, Kuya?
Good?
Smells good.
Thanks.
Here it is now, Julia's chocolate muffin. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share and hit down the notification bell down below so you will be updated when I have a new video. Bye!
No, forget the thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up.
Good, how was Julia's muffin? How was Julia's muffin? Swoy!
Good.
How was your muffin?
Good. Masarap po. Masarap po. Masarap po.
Masarap!